Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw salad. First, gather your fresh ingredients like crisp cabbage and sweet carrots. You'll also need a few simple items for the creamy dressing. The key is to prepare your vegetables properly and then combine everything for a delightful side dish. We'll walk through each step to ensure a perfect, easy-to-make coleslaw every time. Let's start with the vegetables. You'll want about 1/2 head of green cabbage, finely shredded. For a vibrant color and extra crunch, shred 2 medium carrots. Make sure all your vegetables are thoroughly washed and dried before you begin. A food processor can be a real time saver for this step, ensuring consistent shredding. Now for the star of the show, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add a small pinch of black pepper for an extra layer of flavor. Whisk all these ingredients together until the dressing is perfectly smooth and well blended. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour your creamy dressing over the shredded cabbage and carrots in a large bowl. Gently toss everything until all the vegetables are evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this delicious and easy-to-make side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.